Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ki Paidbah nong Sngew bakan top nadu ki jaj benreu khasi Jantia Garo bat kiwe ki basong basa hakani kanong ba Shillong henen kasni ka arpau trek urampang kilato cek Jingthang Mombatti hakandai lat Shillong kom kadak ka Jingthang lam halor ka Jingsha penyap Jonathone and Sangma ukertong jong kaseng Nationalist Congress Party ubalado ya Jingem rengkat arngot kinong senran bat unongnya kali jong Haka Jingthang ubom IED kabalaja Haka janmi ka pratarek mentau benai rempang kani ka Jingja kalaja Haka Snong samanda kat bau ne kertong jong kaseng Nationalist Congress Party udang wan pai na ka Jingelap election na ka Snong sabogre bat na bogre kabalong shibenta na ka Jing pengkrea ju banyakon yakani election MLA kaban Salong Shen na ka William Nagar constituency.
First of all, we condemn such acts, and secondly, what we can see from all these things, it's actually a message from those radical groups. It's a symbolism which counters to our rights to practice political freedom freely. Now, in lieu of such an act, we can see that our freedoms to exercise our political rights is endangered. So we urge the government to take proper action in such cases, and such perpetrators should be brought to justice, not just terminated. We want to unearth what was actually behind such an act. So it could be political, it could be a personal grudge. So in order to unearth and bring to light the issue, the main issue which gave rise to such an incident, we urge the government to take a proper action and bring correctly those perpetrators into justice by law, not just by terminating them.
We strongly condemn this act, and we look forward for a very high-profile inquiry on this, and I urge the government and the people to actually come up and behold such kind of acts. I'm just urging as a concerned citizen, I don't want to politicize what's going on here, and nothing much is going on. Lots of things had happened. So I just want the people to actually, enlighten what is happening and choose a bright future.
As a concerned citizen of Shillong, and firstly as a Garo, we would like to condemn this killing of Sir Jonathone Sangma and his colleagues. Okay. And at the same time, we offer our condolences, sincere condolences to Sir Jonathone's family, and we urge the state government to strictly take action and arrest the culprits at the earliest.
As per my opinion, you see, being a concerned citizen of Meghalaya, we would like to condemn I want to condemn the brutal killing of this Jonathone and his colleagues. It is not right. We being Garo as Garo and Garo. Being Garo and Garo. Like, we're supposed to have a better relationship instead of killing each other. So, I feel sad, though we were not able to be part of though we were not able to be in the funeral, but may his soul rest in peace and his colleagues.